Well, let's talk about what the title's about, right? The strike
Cool.
on Angle, the airbase there.
Yeah. Somehow, so I just reported this because I was out today, so the report was a bit late today. So Ukraine launched a drone strike on the Engels airbase. Like again, this is like the second time I think.
Yep.
And Saratov is actually very far away. It's like 600 kilometers away. So it's almost like a half a Ukraine away kind of thing, and it hits. The Russian MOD reported that they shot down the drone, but then three soldiers died. So I'm not sure how do you shoot down a drone successfully and still three soldiers die. So and uh and I believe that there might be more casualties because because three died. I'm quite sure there will be others that are injured as well.
Mm-hmm.